So again, to kind of combining some things here, we're going to use a little bit of knowledge about central angles and inscribed angles and see if we can solve some problems. So we have a circle here. We got point C is the center of it, and we have angle AEB, with E being the vertex, is equaling to 35 degrees. What is the measure of ADB? So ADB, let's really make sure that we know what we're looking at. A to D, and I'll try to follow this line as best I can, to B. There we go. Good. Where D is going to be the vertex. What is the measure of it? And justify your answer. So notice that arc AB and B cover the same inscribed angle. The inscribed angle of AEB covers AB arc, but also ADB covers that same arc. For that reason, angle ADB is actually going to be equal to the same as AEB because they cover the same arc. I'm just going to kind of justify it by saying angle ADB subtends the same arc as angle AEB. And that arc is AB. So it subtends the same arc. It goes through these same points here. So that means that we're going to have the same measurement. B. We have what is a measure of ACB. And again, just really making sure that we know what we're looking at, starting at A, over to C, and then to B, where C is going to be our vertex. And this is actually an example of a central angle. Now, central angle, this also covers or subtends the same arc, AB. But there's that relationship between what the inscribed angle is and what the central angle is. And that relationship is multiplied by 2 if you're the central angle. So angle, I can do this in red again. Angle ACB equals 2 times angle. I'm just going to use EB. We already know what angle AAB is. It's 35 degrees. Therefore, angle ACB is going to be equal to 70 degrees. And again, this is going to be the central angle. That's really all the justification we need. It's the central angle, this is the inscribed angle, and that's our formula to use here. Subtended by the same arc, but we already know that, and that's the only way that you can use this property anyways, is if it's subtended by the same arc. So pretty easy question for this one, just kind of combining the rules, and that would be it.